All right? In a brotherly way. It's a beautiful thing. Lastly, Allah speaks to the young people in Surah Yusuf. Now, one more thing, raising your voice. It doesn't mean that you don't raise your voice. It doesn't mean that you make your voice little and small. What's your name? What's your name? No. And you don't scream it out. What it means is, when there's a need to raise your voice, raise it. When there's no need, lower it. But in normal cases, keep it moderate. It means, this is what it means. It means that when you're in a gathering, when you're out in the street, when you're with your family, don't have a habit of always needing to raise your voice so that everyone can hear you and no one else. You want to be the person where all eyes are on them and all ears are on them. Allah does not like that. Be moderate and listen, give and take. Wallah, you'll feel better about yourself. So these are things that a youth should learn, inshallah, as they grow older. And I swear, wallahi, you'll develop into an amazing person. Lastly is Surah Yusuf. We all know the story of Surah Yusuf. Yusuf alayhi salam is known for many reasons. Number one, he was a child of about 10 or 11 years old when he saw the dream. Next, he had a good relationship with his father and his mother. Third, he went through domestic violence. His brothers tried to kill him, and then they threw him in the well and they sold him to merchants passing by. He became a slave. He missed his father missed his son. He cried for him so badly over these until he became blind. He missed his brother who was from his same mother, and he ended up becoming a slave in Egypt. The story goes long. The most important part for the young people is the following. Allah says, وَلَمَّا بَلَغَ أَشُدَّهُ آتَيْنَاهُ حُكْمًا وَعِلْمًا وَكَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Allah says in chapter 12 verse 22, and when Yusuf reached the age of maturity, we granted him judgment and knowledge. Thus do we reward those who do good. So the first thing about young people is to educate yourself. Read, educate, gather skills, gather more knowledge. Read about anything that will benefit you. It doesn't have to be purely hadith, purely aqidah, purely seerah. Do it and learn a little bit of it. But you don't have to be a scholar in one area. Read about other things. Anything of your interest that is beneficial to you and to others and to your hereafter. Develop yourself and cultivate yourself, brothers and sisters, so that you are able to judge better and know better. Number two, Allah says, وَرَاوَدَتْهُ الَّتِي هُوَ فِي بَيْتِهَا عَنْ نَفْسِهِ وَغَلَّقَتِ الْأَبْوَابَ وَقَالَتْ هَيْتَ لَكَ قَالَ مَعَاذَ اللَّهِ إِنَّهُ رَبِّي أَحْسَنَ مَثْوَايَ إِنَّهُ لَا يُفْلِحُ الظَّالِمُونَ. And it so happened that the lady in whose house Yusuf was living sought to tempt him to herself. And one day, after she bolted the doors, she said to him, "Come on now, come on." Joseph answered, "May Allah grant me refuge. My Lord has provided me an honorable abode for me. So how can I do something so evil? Such wrongdoers never prosper." Brothers and sisters, he was tempted by a powerful, strong woman who had him as a slave, and she locked the doors and he was a slave. On top of that, he was the most attractive man any person has ever laid their eyes on. We all know about Yusuf alayhi salam. A slave. Nobody cares what he does. If he does anything haram with her, everyone's going to blame her. How could an honorable woman of power seduce her slave? It's her reputation on the line, not his, so he's got nothing to lose. Number two, she'll protect him, she'll look after him, so he's got some things to gain, not only through pleasure, but also through life. Number three, she locked the doors. Nobody's going to find out.